You ever notice how some guys walk into a room and instantly get attention? They don't speak, they don't flex, but heads turn, eyes follow, and somehow they own the space. That's not luck. That's not money. That's the cut. A clean mid-fade, sharp lineup, taper done right, it sends a message before you say a word. I take care of myself. I respect myself. And you're gonna feel that. But most guys, they go to the barbershop just to clean up a bit. And the result? They fade into the background. Literally. You want to be invisible? Or you want to be remembered? Ask any barber who cuts athletes, CEOs, or content creators, like Chris Bossio or Vic Blends. They'll tell you straight, the right haircut isn't just style, it's presence. And if you're not using that, you're wasting it. Here's the truth. Most guys don't have a haircut problem. They have a standard problem. You're not walking around with a bad cut. You're walking around with a basic one. A that'll do fade. A just clean me up shape. The type of cut that makes you blend in, not stand out. And it's not your fault. Nobody teaches us how to treat a haircut like a weapon. Not at school. Not even in most barbershops. Barbers like Chris Bossio and Vic Blends elevated the game by showing that a precise taper fade with a clean shape-up is more than style. It's identity. It's structure. It's presence. It frames your face like armor. But when you go too long between cuts, pick a barber who's just convenient, or settle for a $10 lineup that energy shows. A study from the Journal of Applied Social Psychology found that men who consistently maintain a sharp appearance are rated more competent, more trustworthy, and more respected in first impressions, even if nothing else about them changes. Translation? Your cut speaks before you do, and if it's not saying something solid, you're already behind. So ask yourself this: are you wearing a haircut that represents you, or just one that removes hair? Here's what nobody tells you. A good haircut changes more than your look. It shifts your energy. You sit up straighter, you speak with more weight, you leave the house and feel like you belong. And the crazy part? People feel it too, even if they can't explain it. A 2011 study from the Social, Psychological, and Personality Science Journal found that grooming and self-image significantly impact how others perceive your intelligence, trustworthiness, and even leadership potential within seconds. That's not hype. That's biology. We judge what we see. And when your fade is clean, your lineup sharp, and your beard shaped with intention, that's power. Visual power. But when your cut is uneven, your edges are dull, or you show up with that just let it grow energy, people respond differently. Not because they're rude, but because you're not broadcasting respect for yourself. And here's where it gets deeper. When you don't feel seen, you show up smaller. You hesitate, you slouch, you hold back. Not because you're lazy, but because your reflection's not giving you anything to push with. Want to level up your presence? Start with the part of you people see first, your face. Because once your cut speaks loud, you don't need to. Let's cut the noise. You don't need a celebrity stylist or some viral TikTok filter. You need a standard, and you need to hold it. Because the moment you stop walking into the barbershop saying, "Just clean me up," and start walking in with intention, everything shifts. A mid-taper with a sharp shape-up isn't just a clean look. It frames your face, highlights your jawline, and elevates your presence. That sharp hairline? It's more than just lines. It's silent confidence and consistency. That's what makes it stick. Every 10 to 14 days, not once a month when it's already faded. Ask any pro who understands black hair. Names like Chris Bossio, Vic Blends, 360 Jeezy. They built reputations on knowing exactly what works and why. This isn't about vanity. It's about stepping out with energy that hits before you even speak. Here's the bottom line. You can keep blending in with average cuts, weak routines, and no real standard, or you can level up, for real. If you're done guessing, I built the full glow-up guide for men like you. No fluff, no fake hacks, just science-backed steps to look, feel, and carry yourself better, fast. Hit the link in the pinned comment and download your copy now. Don't wait to look like the man you were meant to be.